Well, hello there. And this morning I woke up and I thought, you know, I feel like some blueberry pie. After all, the past few weeks, past few months, I've been on this sort of blueberry kick where I'm just buying a blueberry jam. And it's just so delicious to me. It's such a simple little meal that I could make in my little camper van here. And all it really is some blueberry jam, some bread, and maybe some butter, and maybe toasted. And it's just so delicious, simple, and it tastes great with coffee. So that sounded like a commercial, I know, but it really isn't. It's just something that happens here. But so my quest for today is to find some blueberry jam. So I thought of checking other places, like the standard grocery store. So let's see where this goes. And here we are. I'm just gonna set this down, put on my other glove, and we're gonna get some diesel for this here. So we pop this open, and right here I just unscrew this. I always have gloves when I do this. Place that there, and we're gonna get our diesel, and here it is. Push to start. Do this, and we just pop that in, and hopefully we don't overfill. Pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, don't like the idea that I have my camera on, but hey, see what happens. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, almost overfilled there. I'm going to set this down. So unfortunately I spilled a bit, right? And so I'm just going to wipe that down a bit. Okay, the good thing is that it'll evaporate. And I can't smell it at all when I'm in the cab there. So it's pretty much full. It's got enough there. That lasts me about a week, and that's with daily usage for about 3 or 4 hours on low. Okay, and let's go like that, and then we just close this up again. And just pop it down, and then we're going to close this. Okay, so I got my diesel heater, and usually I normally don't film that stuff, especially when you consider you're at a gas station. So maybe that wasn't the smartest thing to do, and I think that'll be the only time I'll ever do that. And for the record, I don't consider it a good thing to have done. So I wasn't thinking there. The point is, that's how I literally fill my container, my gas tank, my fuel tank for my diesel heater. So anyway, now that we've got that out of the way, what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can find some blueberry pie. We're on a quest, and I thought about some places we can go, maybe the standard Walmart, Fortinos, Longos, but I thought I want something a little more. So I'm gonna head out somewhere and see what we could find. I don't think I'll find any here at Lowe's. But you know what I did find was this portion, the fog light cover, came off from my silver cabin, so that's going to be a bit of a pain in the butt. We're going to the apple factory, and check this out. So they've got little barns there, just at the side of the road right there. See right there? Okay. This is kind of cool. There we go. Well, it seems like I did find my blueberry pie after all. I checked different places, and I ended up at a place called the Apple Factory. And the moment I walked in there, I already knew I'm going to buy something here. It was like, you go in there, it just smelled so nice. And I picked up some blueberry pie and also some blueberry. Okay, looks like I found it. I found a place where I can get my blueberry pie, and check it out. I mean, it smells really good. It was freshly made, and I'm sure it's gonna taste as good as Apple Factory, right? That's what we meant, right? Yeah. I never know what I'm gonna find in my sort of like daily travels or when I'm looking for stuff. So today I went to try to find some blueberry pie, in which I did. But I also found this Apple Factory blueberry jam. See how this tastes in comparison to my other jams at the back there. It was about, I think about $7 or $6.50 or something, so it seemed okay. But we'll see how what it tastes like. We'll see what the next thing I'm going to do next time. But thanks for coming along and sort of, hanging out a bit. Okay, thanks.